Spelling with the long A sound. Here is your spelling words for the week. We'll have 3 spelling activities on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays with the spelling test on Friday. Today, just watch the video and practice saying each word aloud and writing it on paper. I'll give you a spelling test each Friday where you will write the words on paper and submit a picture for your grade. I added kind of a spelling schedule for the week. So today I am going to introduce your words, and I would like for you to write the words as I'm writing them for some practice. And you can even use those words to turn in for your choice board activity on Thursday. Tuesday we'll have some IXL practice with long A vowel teams. Wednesday, a morphology lesson or a sounds lesson. Thursday, you'll submit at least one activity from the choice board. Then on Friday, spelling test. Needs to be handwritten, 2 points for each word. So here is your spelling words this week. You can also see, if you scroll down a little bit further, you can see that there is a nice little long A list of the types of words. So long A with a magic E at the end, the AI vowel team, and the AY vowel team. So we have, in just a moment, I'm going to write these, but for now I'm just going to read them aloud. Number 1, cake. 2, gate. 3, sail. 4, rain. 5, pail. 6, tail. 7, pay. 8, hay. 9, day. You can find all of those words listed down here with a picture, and then the pattern that each one of those long A words follows. Our red words for the week are the number 2, done, and they. Let's practice writing. Get out a sheet of paper. Here we go. First 3 words have a consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E or magic E at the end. The first word, and I'm going to do a little color coding, which means I'm going to write my consonants in purple and my vowels in black. So cake, C-A-K-E. Cake. The next word that follows that same type of pattern is consonant G, vowel A, consonant T, vowel E. Last word with that same pattern is sail. S is the consonant, A is the vowel, L is the consonant, E is the silent E or the magic E. How that magic E works is, if you'll notice that the word cake has the magic E at the end. Well, what that magic E does is it hops over one consonant. Not 2, not 3, not 4, but it hops over one consonant, bops that vowel A right there on the head, and because it's a magic E, he says, say your name. And so instead of ka-ak, the A actually says the name of its letter. So ka-ake. Same thing with ga-ate, sail. Let's move on to the next set of words, which is the AI pattern. AI is a vowel team. That vowel team works together to make the long A sound A, like in rain. So, R, A, I, N. Pale. P, A, oops, wrong colors here, but you can still see I'm kind of color coding. Pail. There was a pail of water. Tail. Never pull Trooper's tail. He does not like it. Okay, so the vowel team AI makes the A sound rain, pale, tail. The last is the AY, and I'm going to scooch up just a little bit here, and the AY vowel team, the Y is kind of acting as a vowel. So you might think, oh, these look pretty simple, but all of these are long A teams. Okay, so we have P, A, pay, hey, H, A, hey, day, D, A, Y, day. Now, for our red words, sometimes I like to call these heart words because, well, there are words that are hard to sound out. We can call them red words because you're going to see them a lot when you're reading. It's best almost just to memorize these words and how to spell them. So the first red word is two, T-W-O, and this is a representation of the number 2. The next word is done, D-O-N-E, done. I'm almost done with the last spelling word. The last red word, or if you like to call them heart words, that's okay, is they, T-H-E-Y, they. Notice that they doesn't really follow along with this vowel team. That's why the word they is kind of a red word or a heart word, because it's not really following along with those same vowel teams. Okay, I would love for you to practice writing your words as well, and I will see you all soon. Thank you.